So I am going to be making a pumpkin apple hot dish for my boyfriend's family's Halloween get-together, and this is my second year doing it. It was a hit. I also made it for Thanksgiving, so it's very, very versatile for this time of year. So let me go step by step to show you how easy it is if you are interested. So I'm starting with the pumpkin cake layer, which is 1 cup of flour. So this recipe calls for 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. I don't have that little spoon, so I'm using 1/2 a teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then 1/2 a teaspoon of salt. Whisk together. I'm just going to use a hand whisk. Add 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 a cup of regular sugar, 1/2 a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Whisk together to combine. And you can see that it turns into sort of like a pumpkin pie kind of mixture. So I went ahead and just sprayed this casserole dish, which I'm going to use for my dessert, with this Baker's Joy flour spray. I started using this during Christmas time, and I'm obsessed. Anytime I'm baking anything, I use this, but you could just use butter or whatever spray you have. Then just as evenly as you can, just go ahead and spread your cake mixture in your dish. So in the exact same bowl that you mixed your cake mixture in, just go ahead and chop up about 5 or 6 apples. I'm going to choose to use Granny Smith. So I'm adding 1/2 a cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add a pinch of salt and toss together. And you can see that I'm really making sure that all the apples get coated in the cinnamon and brown sugar mixture. And then just scatter it evenly over the pumpkin batter. And that is what that looks like, with the apples scattered on top. So in the same exact bowl, again, 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. So then I added 3/4 cup of flour, brown sugar, and rolled oats. So you're just gonna mix that until it becomes like this crumble, and then you're gonna scatter it over top of the pumpkin layer. So then just bake in the oven at 350 for 60 minutes. And this is what it looks like out of the oven. I went ahead and did it for a full 70 minutes. You'll use like a toothpick, and the cake layer shouldn't be on the toothpick at all. Like, it should come out pretty clean, and you'll know for sure. But I will show you what this looks like when I cut into it, like right now. And this is the final product. I threw some caramel on top, and you can see people have already started to dig in. So